Are you planning for a vaccine store? Then let us have a quick overview on the basic requirements for planning and establishing primary and intermediate vaccine stores. Please ensure that the site selected for vaccine store is well accessible to the road. Vehicle loading bay. The vehicle loading bay is governed by the size and the type of vehicle used. The following parameters should be considered. The loading bay and the route to it must be planned to allow easy access for the largest vehicle used. It should have a projecting canopy to protect workers, vehicles, and vaccines from sunlight, rain, or snow during loading and unloading. A raised loading dock matching the height of the delivery vehicle should be there. For refrigerated vehicle, weatherproof electrical outlet should be there to power the refrigeration unit during loading, unloading, and pre-cooling operations. Refrigeration equipment area. The area is intended for locating walk-in coolers and walk-in freezers. To get this equipment installed in a proper manner, prerequisites are level concrete floor, sufficient space, maintaining all the clearances, ceiling height as required by WIC and WIF model and sizes. Availability of grid power supply with appropriate rating switchgears. Natural and forced ventilation arrangements. Natural light and proper illumination arrangement. And water draining arrangements. The ice pack conditioning area. Ensure the space for ice pack conditioning adjacent to refrigeration equipment area. The adequate layout space for ice pack conditioning shall be in consideration of daily workload or trip loads. The vaccine packing area. Ensure the size of packing area fulfilling the need of maximum daily workload. The packing area should connect to a direct route between the refrigeration equipment and the vehicle loading area and must not form part of a main circulation route because it has to be kept cool and secure. Sufficient space should be there near the vaccine packing area to store cold boxes and other packing materials. Storage space with easy retrieval of packaging material. It is recommended that the vaccine packing room should be air conditioned in hot climates. Dry floor space. The storage space should be there as per the requirement. Customized steel shelves and compactors should be there as per the different types of storage modules with adjustable shelving movable arrangements. Storekeeper's office. It should be located in such a way so that the storekeeper can manage to supervise the routine activities at vaccine store. The adequate space should be there for accommodating the necessary office furniture and equipment, computer and printer or the Xerox machine. Provision should be there for net or Wi-Fi connectivity. Spare parts store and repair workshop. While establishing the repair and maintenance workshop, ensure sufficient space for undertaking major sort of repair work for WIC and WIF units and components, stocking spares and placement of large tool kits, office furniture and equipment. The electrical room. Ensure a separate space in a vaccine store building for an electrical room so as to accommodate the necessary equipments such as bus bars, electrical meter, switchboard, distribution boards. circuit breakers and disconnects, stabilizer, control panels, fire alarm or smoke detector control panels if any.
Standby power supply arrangement for WIC and WIF. Make sure that there is enough space available either indoor or outdoor so as to make generator set installation possible following all the norms laid down.
In addition to the above, subject to the space availability, planning is also well recommended for meeting room, visitors waiting area, an entrance lobby, etc. Safety measures are of immense importance and must be well taken care of. Fire protection. The proposed site should be easily accessible to the fire service. The site should have in place fire and smoke detectors connected to an external alarm sounder. Pest control. The building should be designed and maintained so as to minimize infestation by insects, rodents, bats, or other pests. Security. The site should be secured against break-ins and access to it is controlled with the provision of biometric system.